Let's go ahead and unwrap it. So it says we get 12 hours of playtime. We'll see. We have a little seal here. Two little seals. One right there, one right there. We should be able to open this now. There's the flip 4. There's a flip 5 and 6. So if you need a better speaker, a louder speaker, a better sounding speaker, you go with a flip 6. I believe this, you open this one up. Let's put it on the side. Instructions seem to be in there. It's nice, has a little foam there, kind of looks like the speaker itself. Little play button. Very well packaged. This is foam. You have the JBL there. Feels pretty nice actually. Bluetooth button, play button. Power button right there. Doesn't want to focus. Let's go ahead and charge it. And I'll let you guys know how it sounds. It's a really nice speaker actually, but if you need more sound, a better sounding speaker, go with the Flip 6. I got this one for $60 plus tax. It was in special. I'll be unboxing the Flip 6 pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. So it says here we have the USB-C charging cord inside here. It's a flat cable. It's orange. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. We have the little indicator lights right here. It's charging right there. It's about halfway, a little less than half. You have a little strap here. Let's give it some time. So that's nice that it's waterproof. Up to 1 meter and up to 30 minutes. But you have to make sure the charge port is nice and sealed. This thing has to be sealed for it to be waterproof. So that's a nice little feature. So far, I've been using the JBL speaker, the Flip 4, for about a day now. And I really think it's not that... The sound isn't there. It's an okay sound, but I think it could be better. I wouldn't pay more than $60 for this. $60, I think it's a fair price. Anything more, it's really not worth it. The only real features that are nice that it's splash proof or waterproof as long as the little tab here is closed. That's really the nice feature on it.